Welcome to Craftsman Corner, where we explore innovative ways to organize and optimize your workshop space. Today, we are diving into the world of wooden tool storage ideas. Perfect for any DIY enthusiast or professional craftsman looking to elevate their workspace. We all know the frustration of trying to find the right tool amidst the chaos of cluttered workspace. But fear not, because with these creative wooden tool storage ideas, you can keep your tools organized, accessible, and ready for action. Let's kick things off with a classic, the wooden pegboard. This versatile storage solution allows you to hang your tools within easy reach, keeping them visible and organized. Customize your pegboard with hooks, shelves, and bins to accommodate tools of all shapes and sizes. Next up, we have the timeless wooden toolbox. Whether it's a classic carpenter's toolbox or a modern version with compartments and drawers, a wooden toolbox provides portable storage for most used tools. Plus, it adds a touch of craftsmanship to your workshop. Maximize your wall space with the wooden wall-mounted tool rack. Install sturdy wooden pegs or hooks to hang your tools vertically, saving valuable floor space and keeping your workspace clutter-free. This is particularly useful for long-handled tools such as shovels, rakes, and brooms. For ultimate mobility, consider a wooden rolling tool cart. These portable storage solutions feature multiple drawers and compartments, allowing you to keep your tools organized while you work. Choose a cart with sturdy wheels for easy maneuverability around your workshop. Add some rustic charm to your workshop with a wooden shelving unit. Whether it's a freestanding or wall-mounted, wooden shelves provide ample storage space for tools, materials, and supplies. Arrange your tools in labeled bins or baskets for easy identification and access. Take your organization to the next level with a wooden tool cabinet. These multi-drawer cabinets offer customizable storage solutions for your tools, with compartments designed to fit specific items. Keep your cabinet organized with foam inserts or custom dividers to prevent tools from shifting during transport. Upgrade your workbench with built-in tool storage. Incorporate drawers, cabinets, and shelves into your workbench design to keep your tools within arm's reach while you work. This integrated approach to storage maximizes efficiency and minimizes clutter in your workspace. Harness the power of magnets with a wooden magnetic tool holder. Mount a wooden board on your wall and attach magnetic strips or bars to hold your metal tools in place. This simple yet effective solution keeps your tools organized and easily accessible, while also adding a decorative element to your workshop. Keep your valuable tools secure with a wooden tool chest equipped with locking mechanism. Whether it is for storing expensive power tools or heirloom hand tools, a sturdy wooden chest provides peace of mind knowing that your tools are safe and protected from theft or damage. Finally, make use of overhead space with a wooden overhead storage rack. Install sturdy wooden beams or brackets in your workshop ceiling and attach wooden platforms or shelves to create additional storage space for rarely used tools or bulky items. This clever solution keeps your tools out of the way while still keeping them accessible when needed. And there you have it, wooden tool storage ideas to help you take your workshop organization to the next level. Whether you prefer the classic simplicity of a pegboard or the versatility of a rolling tool cart, there is a wooden storage solution out there to fit your needs and elevate your workspace. Thanks for watching Craftsman Corner, and happy crafting!